What's up, guys? I have a brand new update for you. This time around, I'm going to be talking about Avive application. Now, the Avive application is a mining application that gives us the Avive token. We're going to be mining Avive token, and this application has similar functions like the Satoshi application, which we used in mining core. And while we were mining core, we were earning BTC, that was Bitcoin. We were giving Bitcoin with the Satoshi app. So same thing is happening in this application right here. So we are going to be mining Avive over here, the Avive token, which is the VV, and now we're giving free Bitcoin. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can get started mining the Avive token and also earning some free Bitcoin. And I'm going to be taking you through its other functions, other features of the application for you to understand how it works. So if you are interested in knowing how this works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so for you to be able to get this application and get started, you need to get registered. So for you to be able to get registered, you will need to use the link in the description of this video. So it's going to bring you to a page like this where you are going to be signing up. So the link is in the description. Go down below, click on it. It's going to bring you straight to a page like this. So all you need to do now is to put in your email address. Put in your email address over here. I've already done a registration. I won't be able to do that right now. I just want to show you how it works. So you put in your email address, and the next thing you will need to do after putting your email address is to click on send OTP. Once you click on send OTP, they will send you a code into your email address, the email address you provided over here. So the code will be sent to your email address. You go to your email address and copy that same code, then you bring it and place it over here. You put the code over here. Then all you need to do now is to click on register. And once you click on register, you will be able to download the application once it tells you success. Okay, so once the registration is successful, this page is going to pop up, and all you need to do now is to click on download APK, which is over here. You just download APK, which is over here, and you'll be able to get the application downloaded on your phone. So once you download the application, you will need to after downloading the application, you will need to log in. You'll be sent the OTP one more time. Then you go to your email address, you copy it, you do the same thing, then you log in. You'll get to a page like this after logging in. So now once you log in, you'll see a button that will be over here. A button will be available here to be in a black format. A black button will be here where it will be written initiate airdrop, something like that. Initiate airdrop, I can remember very well. So you click on it. Once you click on it, your mining starts automatically. So now where are you going to see your mining is over here. Once you can see that this time is done, you are going to be getting a block. So it's about rounds this time around. So you mustn't let your rounds get to 25 or else your mining is going to stop. Now you can see over here I have 9 rounds that I need to claim. So once you click on initiate airdrop, it will start counting. Then once you have enough token that you've already mined on your dashboard that you need to claim, so that it will come over to you, it will appear on your balance over here. You can see I've not claimed anything. So all you need to do is to click on the claim button. You can see mine is here already. I will need to click on this claim button, and I will receive the Avive token on my balance straight away. So now let me quickly do that for you to see. Let's click on claim and see what happens. Okay, claim. All right, now you can see already on my dashboard my balance has increased. I have some token available right there. And so that's how you keep claiming every, let's say maybe twice or 3 times in a day. When you are free, you come in, or once in a day, come over here and click on claim for your Avive airdrop. Should be taken to your balance. So like I said, this application similar functions with with like Satoshi application. So they are also giving us free Bitcoin once you sign up, you can see my own free Bitcoin. I've already claimed one. I claimed one yesterday, so today is another day. I need to claim another one, which is over here. I was given that today. I need to claim it. You can see here, and you can see on my balance I have some also here, and I will tell you how I was able to get much of that there. So let me quickly claim this right now. We'll claim, let's claim. All right, so you can see now my balance has increased. My balance just got increased because I just claimed some Bitcoin over here. Now I've added more Bitcoin. Also, let me show you some other functions of this application. Now well, let's go to click on tools. Once you click on tools, you will see now you see stuffs like this, because these are now no longer in the Satoshi app. We're using hashcard, but over here in the Avive application, it is called Soul Power. Now the Soul Power is what we are going to be using to increase our the Soul Power is what we use to increase the mining. The higher Soul Power we have, the more of Avive coin we can earn with this application. So just like this, I already joined, someone initiated this and I joined it, and I joined this over here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This particular one, someone else initiated, and I used my code. I used the person's code and join. So the person needs to execute this for us to be able to earn more Soul Power to our balance. We both are going to be earning. So you can see, if I want to initiate also, I can initiate here. If I want to join someone else's code, I will join by clicking here. So it's similar to the Satoshi app. Maybe I'll do more videos on how to use more of the Soul Power next time, but now let me just be brief with this video, not to make the video so long. So now, in order for you can also share gift card, which is called the gift box over here. When you click here, you can see I have them here. All I need to do now is to go ahead, copy this code, which is over here. You can see this code, sorry, just like this. You can see this code over here. Just copy the code and share with other people, and you're going to be giving more Soul Power, and also the person will be earning more Soul Power also. You can see the code. Here are the codes I'm talking about. Just copy and share. It's just like your gift card that we use in the Satoshi app. Now quickly, let me go back to team. Let me go to team now. Under the team, you can see I actually got all these people under me right now, and this is how I was able to get more of the Bitcoin. You can see, you saw my balance. So right now I have all these people under me, and because of these people that I brought in, they are giving me some fraction of Bitcoin, which is over here. You can see. So all I need to do now is to click on the claim button, and my balance will increase. I won't be claiming all that right now. I'll do that later. So that's how you earn more Bitcoin. You can also earn from your level 1. You can earn from your level 1. Sorry, let me use the arrow. You can earn from level 1, which are your direct referral. Then level 2 are they are not direct, they are from your own direct referrals. The people they refer are your level 2. So you are going to be earning also from their mining. That's 10% from the level 2, 20% from the level 1. So that's how you can get more Bitcoin using this application. You can follow their Twitter accounts by clicking here to follow their Twitter account, so you are updated with every single update from the platform. You are going to be hearing the latest news from the team if you follow their Twitter account. Now, after following the Twitter account, you need to come over here. You need to come down here, and you can see this particular place. I don't know why I'm using here. You can see this particular place. You click on it, and you are going to write your Twitter account handle. Let me click on it and show you. Let's click, and you see you're just going to do just the way you did it for Satoshi app. You're going to put in your Twitter handle over here, and you submit. And once you submit and your Twitter handle has been confirmed, but make sure you are following their Twitter handle first. Once you are following their Twitter handle and it has been confirmed, all you need to do is to click. You will see the claim button over here will turn green, and once it turns green, all you need to do is to click on it, and you are going to be earning extra 5,000 power, which is going to be added to your personal soul power, which is over here. You can see it over here. Now remember, the soul power is what we are using to increase our mining speed. I told you, just like the hash card we exchange in the Satoshi app. So now apart from that, let me quickly show you one more thing. What you need to know is what the white paper looks like. You can also go to their personal site. Okay, let me show you that quickly. All right, so here we are on their official website. This is where you can take your time to read the white paper. You can click on the white paper, which is over here. Click on it and you can take your time to read the white paper and know what is really going on with this project. Now this project, I told you, they have similar things just like the Satoshi app, but one difference here is these people are not anonymous like this CoreDAO. This one, it is not anonymous. You can actually read about the owners, the CEOs, the team, those that are handling this stuff. You can actually read about them here. So here you are, take your time, read, and you can click on each name and read about them, so on like that. So this one, they are not anonymous, they are actually real. They are showing you who they are, their name, their datas are there. You can check out, make your own research on them. So you can click on the white paper I told you earlier on to read and understand what is really going on. I can't be reading all this for you. You take your time to read the white paper, go through it, and know what kind of project you are getting involved in. All right, so in order for you to get your referral link, all you need to do is to come over here, click on increase revenue. It's going to take you to where you can get a referral link. Let me just click on it, or you go through your theme. You go through theme and you click on invite friend, which is up right here on the right top corner of the screen, which is there. You click on it, you're going to take, let me just click on it. It will take you to where you can copy your link. Okay, right here we are. So you can just copy your referral link, which is over here. You can see your referral link, or you can likewise copy your code and share with others. But please and please and please, before you go any further, make sure you are reading what is written here. Take your time to understand what is here. Read it and understand. And also I'll need you to also read the last one, which is down here, which is actually telling you not to create multiple accounts. So please do not create multiple accounts to avoid losing your only account. So guys, make sure you don't break the rules. So that is how this application works, So the only one more different thing that I noticed here is we don't know how to withdraw our Bitcoin yet, and let's hope very soon we should the withdrawal should be available. Right now it's not available, so I don't know. Let's keep mining and see what the team are up to. So if you like what I just showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you've never subscribed to my channel and this is your first time on my channel, go ahead, subscribe right now so that you keep getting good update from me. And don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so that YouTube can notify you once I upload a brand new update. And one more thing, I will be creating a Telegram group, which will be in the description of this video. The Telegram group for us to be able to share soul power, exchange soul power on this application. So if you're interested, go down below in the description of this video. You are going to see the Telegram group where we exchange soul power. Click it and join, and you can keep posting your soul power for others to be able to use and exchange, so we can increase our earnings on this application altogether. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope to bring you guys more updates about this application in the nearest future, so stick to this channel, don't go anywhere. So I love you guys, and I see you in the next video. Bye.